Right, welcome back to the channel, my friends. This is a huge package. Yeah, we've got a big package here today, ladies and gents. This is a Fujitsubo exhaust for the Datsun 510 because, of course, you guys remember, if you haven't watched it anyway, a video ago, my Datsun 510 exhaust, I was trying to replace the back bit because it's kind of been crumbling away and it's been split and all this palaver. Basically, it snapped off. And I couldn't fix it, and now I've had to buy a whole new exhaust from the headers back. So let's unbox it. We're going to install it and then take it for a drive and do some sound tests as well. Yeah, let's just get it open, I guess, and show you the quality. I really like Fujitsubo. This I bought off Right Hand Drive Japan. It is for a right hand drive car, but it's the same fitment, so it doesn't really make a difference. It literally doesn't matter. And I've heard really, really good things about this exhaust. I'm excited to get it on. It's not something I particularly wanted to do yet, but you know, circumstances forced my hand. I did want to buy a new exhaust for the Datsun eventually. I just didn't want to do it yet. I was trying to make do with what I had, but never mind. We've got a whole new exhaust now. Let's unbox it, show you what we're working with. All right, let's get this thing open. Complete with doggos. Complete with doggos. I like Fujitsubo products. They've got good. Well, I bought Fujitsubo headers for my 4AGE. Even though they don't fit on, the workmanship was brilliant. Like, it's quality products. So I have good faith that this will be good. I have confidence that this will be good. Wow, it looks nice. It looks nice already. So they have gasket kits. Same thing that was on. Well, same type of thing that was on the 4AGE header. Not quite sure what the okay, yeah. So right, okay. That's the clamp. So it's got to be clamped at a certain point. Okay, that's fine. Sorry, I'm just wrapping my head around what I've got here. Put that down there. Let's put that there. Looks nice. It looks really nice. That's lovely. Let's. Yeah, that's really, 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 really nice. So back box. Lovely stuff. Let me get it unwrapped and I will show you it in all of its glory. Right, okay, so let's have a look at this then. We've got, I mean, it's nice, like it's really, really nice, good quality. So, because obviously it's a 2-to-1, so we've got all down in here. Nice welds. It looks like they've done some bracing, extra bracing on the side, which I think is quite cool. Yeah. Happy with that. It's nice, it's good. Those welds are really nice as it comes up into the single part. Some interesting. I mean, it's a good product. Like, it's just interesting welds there. Looks quality overall. Let's pop this here. This is well, again, just a muffler. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I'm happy with this. I'm a bit confused. It only comes with one gasket. Not sure why it's only got the one gasket, because I don't have the header to exhaust gasket. So I'm a bit confused with that now. I thought it was going to come with all of them, and I don't think it does. Which, if that is the case, well, it's annoying is what it is. Because I don't think I can install it. I don't think I've got one. I can't really reuse the last one. So that's annoying. But it's in good. It's good. It's a good exhaust. I'm happy with it overall. Just a bit annoyed with that. Just a bit annoyed with that weird oversight, I guess, because it is an oversight. Not having the exhaust gasket is a bit of a weird one. Anyway, never mind. There you go. We've got both dogs in here now, Cece and Jasper. But there you go. I'm gonna have to try and order a next day delivery exhaust gasket, I guess, so I can get this installed. But there you go. We will order that and then get this installed, I guess. But I'm happy overall. Yeah, it's good. Fujitsubo does good products. Well, what do you think? Let me know down below if you think this is any good, but I think it is. And it's supposed to sound nice, like it's supposed to have a really nice exhaust note, so I'm happy about that as well. But anyway, let's get this bloody exhaust gasket ordered and get this thing installed. Alright, I've got some time to kill. It's also looking like it's going to be really bad weather across the weekend. And speaking to some other Datsun 510 owners, they were like, if both surfaces are flat, which they are, just chuck it on and you can always just disconnect it when the new one arrives. So I'm just going to do that basically. I'm going to just chuck the exhaust on now, I think. We're going to see how we go anyway. It should be able to go on all in one go. So let's go jack up the car, get under it and start messing about with this exhaust. Hey love, you've got to get out. Cece, move. Good girl. Cece, move. Right, well, I can't say that was particularly fun. Not quite sure what footage you got of that, but yeah, it's all on. Let's start it up and see how she sounds, I guess. I'm going to put you behind it. And yeah, you can tell me how it sounds first, I guess. But yeah, it wasn't fun. The hangers at the back are pretty messed up, as you would have seen as I was going through that. It just wasn't... The hangers don't work, basically. What I need to do... Let me put you on the stand. What I need to do is just fix the hangers. I need to take it somewhere to get the hangers fixed. But never mind. Let's put you down here so you can have a nice sound off, as it were. I think this will be the best spot for you. I'm going to leave it up so I can check for gasket leaks. But let's start it up and you can tell me what it sounds like, eh? Well, there is a, there was a weird rattle. That seems to be gone now. Doesn't really sound like anything really. I mean, it just sounds like an exhaust. Doesn't sound any, I thought it was going to sound better, it doesn't. Maybe I had a good exhaust, but yeah, I don't know, I mean, it's fine. It's a bit anticlimactic, this, to be honest. Let's lower it down. I don't think there's any exhaust leaks, which is good, obviously. But yeah, let's lower it down, see if it all clears properly, because some of it's really tight, like you've seen in there as it goes into the drive shaft there. It doesn't look great, it looks like it's gonna screw up there. So let's lower it down, see how we do, and go from there. Lower it down, see how we do. Rattly already. Does it clear? Oh, I can hear it rattling. It's rattling in there. It's fucking annoying. I think that's gonna catch, actually. Do you see? I think that's catching. Let's have a closer look from another angle. I think that is bad. I think it's catching. Oh no. It just clears. Wow. Look at this. Look how tight it is. There you go. Look how tight that is. Wow. That's so tight. That's what she said. I think it clears. From what I can see. Very close though. Very close. Well, I think that is... Oh, you don't want to be that close to me. I think that's good. I think. I don't know. Because the hangers are not good. I think I need to like zip tie it up a bit more or something. It just sounds a bit weak, a bit shit. Not what I wanted. I wanted it to be a bit more rowdy than that. You spend like, it's £500, it's not super expensive. Just wanted it to be a bit more. I don't know. Let's see how it sounds again. I guess it does kind of sound nice. Yeah, I guess so. I don't know. Don't know. Jury's out on that one, I think. Whether we like it or not. What do you think? Let me know down below. Shit install though, that wasn't fun. Wouldn't recommend that to anyone, that was crap. And I need to sort the hangers out because they're not good. The hangers are not good at all. I think I can figure it out now. Oh well, there you go. Installed, I guess. Like, comment, share. Bye now.